A store in central Japan specializing in boxed sushi is selling the product in a vending machine overnight. The product is called masuzushi, a pressed sushi specialty of Toyama Prefecture made with vinegared raw trout and rice wrapped in bamboo leaves. It is popular as a souvenir and as a packaged meal that travelers eat during long train rides. The store has had to shorten its hours due to the coronavirus. But the vending machine carries on business from the time the store closes at 4 p.m. until it opens the next morning.
せっかく来られて店が閉まってるっていうことはお客様とても残念に思われると思いますのでね、そういう方がこの自販機を通してマスの寿司を買っていただける、そういう機会が増えるっていうことは本当に嬉しいことです。
The setup is also beneficial to the store's workers.
特にパートの方、主婦の方は多いですから、時間が短くなってとても働きやすくなってるとは思います。
She said long working hours were an issue in pre-coronavirus days when the employees had to work from early in the morning to late at night to help the numerous customers who came.